how to play games on PS5 offline. In this video, I'll show you how to play games on PS5 offline. So to get started, go ahead and set your PS5 as primary console. So this step ensures you can access digital games offline. So head over to your settings, head over to users and accounts, and then head over to other, and then head over into the console sharing and offline play. Select the enable to activate offline access for your account. This allows you to play downloaded games without needing to verify ownership online. Second is the use of physical disc games. Insert the game disc into your PS5, install the game fully while online, and once installed, you can play without internet. No login or verification required. And then after that, download digital games before going offline. So make sure your digital games are fully downloaded and installed. Launch each game once while online to verify licenses, and after that, you can play them offline as long as your PS5 is set as primary. And then lastly, enjoy offline compatible titles. Focus on single player games or those with offline modes. Popular offline friendly games include God of War Ragnarok, Hogwarts Legacy, Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Elden Ring. And that is how you can basically play games on PS5 offline.